The 10 best plants for your bedroom. Peace lily plants, Spathiphyllum genus, are one of the most enduring and popular houseplants for the bedroom, and for good reason. Its glossy leaves thrive in high or low light situations, and the roots tolerate a variety of irrigation habits. Peace lilies take the guesswork out of watering by wilting when they're thirsty and quickly perk up with a drink. Parlor Palm, Chamaedorea elegans, grows in partial to full shade in its native Guatemala, which is why you'll see these specimens thriving in offices, malls, and other indoor spaces with little to no natural light. In fact, too much light will burn the leaves of the parlor palm, so keep this plant away from bright windows in the bedroom. A location close to a steamy bathroom that provides a humidity boost is ideal, as it will stave off pests, such as spider mites, that proliferate in dry conditions. As an outdoor plant, Heterohelix can behave aggressively, sending clinging tendrils over structures and up tree trunks. However, you can take advantage of ivy's spreading tendencies in the bedroom by training the vines across a small trellis, hoop, or topiary form to create a living work of art. The tongue-in-cheek nickname, mother-in-law's tongue, doesn't do justice to the snake plant, a sculptural, vigorous specimen. The leathery, strappy leaves of Sansevieria have adapted to survive the harsh conditions of West Africa, where the soil is poor and rain is irregular. Corn plants, Dracaena fragrans, give homeowners the look of a tree without the unmanageable height issues that come with a tree that has outgrown its space. Long, glossy leaves top stout trunks, a substantial plant that serves as a handsome anchor in the bedroom corner. Corn plants tolerate shade but may even produce white flowers in a sunny spot. The Gerber Daisy, Gerbera, is an ethereal plant for most people. Don't expect this South African native to endure all sorts of insults, like lack of light or too little water, the way a snake plant or philodendron would. Think of the Gerber Daisy in the same way you might think of a very long-lasting cut flower arrangement, temporary eye candy that will eventually need to be disposed of. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata, is one of the trendiest houseplants around, given its frequent appearance in home magazines and blogs. Its large leaves are its focal point, so providing the right lighting is essential to keeping your plant lush in the bedroom setting. Classic philodendrons are as relevant now as they were in the 1970s for people seeking a non-fussy bedroom plant. They are just as happy trailing from a hanging basket in the corner as they are stealing the spotlight as a trellis specimen. Philodendrons tolerate a wide variety of light but can get a bit lanky if conditions are too dim. Less is more when it comes to irrigation, and you can easily root new plants in a vase of water if you decide to propagate more plants for a collection. Let the personality of the spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, infuse your bedroom with fun and fresh air. Most people know the spider plant, also known as the airplane plant, from its ability to produce multiple pups on stems that dangle from the mother plant. You may choose to leave these baby plants in place, or clip them and repot for gifts or other rooms. The fleshy leaves of Aloe Vera, Aloe barbadensis plants need a bright spot in the bedroom but won't mind if you forget the water for a few weeks. These succulent plants produce offsets that you can remove to start new plants, which can serve as replacements if you remove leaves to harvest the healing gel for cuts and sunburns. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.